Welcome to Oz Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Bec, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date. So we're here at Jourama Falls, and it is a national park. There is big open space for you to camp. You can bring your caravan, you can bring your camper trailer, you can bring your tent. There's 2 floodways to cross, just be aware. We got our 21-foot silver line in here, so you shouldn't have too much trouble. It's got a toilet block, it's got a corrugated iron shower, which is outside shower, but there's some great swimming holes. The track to the waterfall is closed at the moment, but you can get to the rock pools up the gorge, which we're going to attempt tomorrow. There are also gas barbecues and a couple of barbecue huts. There's a day use area as well. You do have to book online at national parks to get a campsite here. It's $6.75 per person per night, which is very affordable. And the campgrounds is in walking distance to the creek. There's your gas barbecues. And there's water tap there, but it does say that you need to treat it before you drink it. So now I'll give you a quick look round and show you what it has to offer. So these are the bigger campsites. We managed to get a pull-through site because we're actually the only ones here, which makes it ideal. It was really quiet. There's a lot of bird life around. There's your toilet block up there. So here's your corrugated iron shower. It would be just cold. And here's your toilet block. And there's like a tent or camping area. And we're parked just over there. So it is big and spacious, it's easy to turn around in. We're about 20 k's south of Ingham, and the road in was half bitumen, half dirt. It was a good dirt road, so there was no problems with that. There is a couple of floodways, so if it was heavy rain, you'd probably have to check that you could still get out. But other than that, it's an easy road in.
So this is what you can expect from the front gate to the camping grounds. This is the first of the 2 floodways, and that's one of the swimming holes there on the left. With a ladder or walk-in access. Then there's the day use area with picnic tables, barbecues and a toilet block. And then there's a second lot of barbecues, and the road leads down to the second floodway. campgrounds road does a loop, so it's easy to drive in and drive out.
And you come here, you book online, come here, grab your tag, write your confirmation number on it and put it on the front of your vehicle. Bring your error guard. The mozzies are insane. I've probably got about 7 buzzing around my face while I'm talking.
The walking track to the falls was closed when we were there, but the track to the creek was open. We didn't get there this trip. Someone may have sprained their ankle jumping into the creek. No walking for me. There was also a mowed path from the campgrounds to the creek. Swimming in the waterhole was awesome. It was about 42 degrees most days and we loved it. And no, you can't catch the fish. We did a day trip up to Paluma Falls. It's a beautiful drive, and if you have a tent or a rooftop tent, there's also a national park up there that you can camp in. Paluma Falls is the highest permanent single drop fall in Australia at 268 metres, and it's a very short walk from the car park to the lookout. We love Jourama Falls, put it on your list and don't miss it. If you liked our video, please subscribe, keep in contact, stay happy, and we'll see you next week.